Did you know that you can earn guaranteed passive income without doing anything? Yes, you can, through Philippine real estate leisure properties. The Philippine real estate market continues to show remarkable growth due to many factors. However, one phrase has risen to both seasoned and new investors: hassle-free property investment. As an investor, buying a condominium may seem tempting, but it is often more complicated. First is the process of unit turnover, which requires you to be there physically. The interior design and furniture and appliances comes next. Now it's time for us to find a tenant. But it's not easy to find one because of the tight competition. It's best to look for an agent who can help you find a tenant. With that, you have to give them commission. You also have to get property management, which is 10% per income per month. Other expenses include monthly association dues, maintenance costs and repairs, property insurance, and real estate property tax. From the process of unit turnover to all hidden costs and responsibilities, do you still wish to make traditional investments? Or would you rather choose hassle-free property investments that allow you to earn without the stress? So now, let us share with you our hassle-free property investment offerings.
Introducing the upcoming 4-star hotel in Batangas with the opportunity to invest in a hotel unit. Located in the heart of Nasugbu, a short drive from Metro Manila that lets you experience life's simplicities within the Oceana's fully furnished investment hotel rooms. As a hotel unit owner, you earn guaranteed passive income whether your unit has been tenanted or not. You get a lifetime ownership with a condominium certificate of title. Enjoy 21 free nights annually at all Canyon hotels. No management fees, no association dues, no maintenance costs, no insurance payments, and no real estate property taxes. Secure your future by purchasing a hotel unit and have guaranteed passive income.
What are you waiting for? Contact us today, or you may also visit us in our office at Parkway Corporate Center in Alabang. Let us help you earn while you relax.